Hey bearing heads, welcome to another great video from Bearings Express. And today's video is from Mark, and he's going to be kindly assisted by Katie. Now they are going to show you how to service your car. Take into consideration though that this is for a Mitsubishi Triton, but the general gist is going to be fairly well the same for most cars. Enjoy guys, let's get to it. Now the first thing you want to be doing, especially when you purchase anything from online, is to double check that you've got all of your items. So Katie is having a quick look, make sure she's got everything, and everything looks in good order. So here we have Mark demonstrating how easy it is to simply fit the air filter. It drops straight in.
Okay, so we're going to change over the cabin filter.
Okay, first things first, we make sure that we turn the airbag off on the passenger side. So we're turning the key, pull that out, okay. Reach in, we pop our box loose, and we'll just come out. Quite simply, take that right out of the way. Okay, so there's a couple of screws just retaining all this. Got a little body one just up here, just a little push makes it come out. A couple of screws. Nice and simple. One more hiding there.
So as you can see, this part can get a bit sticky, so just take your time.
There we go. And just a little fuse clip here. Should, in theory, just pop out of the way. Doesn't look like it's been changed for a while, so I just need a little knife. As you can see, it's just up in here. You just need to get in there. It's only light plastic, so it comes away pretty easy. Okay, so just the plastic here, you just need to give it a little trim away. Just nice sharp knife, just work your way along. Okay, do you want to pause? In some of the Mitsubishis and stuff, they actually didn't put a cabin filter in, but there is provisions for it. So once you clear the plastic away, just make sure you don't drop it into the fan and you get it back out. But 100% this will make your air conditioner a lot cleaner and things flow a bit easier.
Okay, so this part required a fair amount of cutting with the Stanley knife to cut the plastic cover out, because it's never had one in there, so we're installing one for the first time.
So basic cabin filter, slides in, make sure you got your screw parts to the front. So it just slides in nice and easy. There's a couple of little restraining points. You just need to get a couple of little screws to just screw in top and bottom. And bottom. Nice simple, not too tight so you don't split the plastic. And that's it, that's installed, ready to go.
And that was the Samoa cabin filter.
So there you have it, guys. We hope this video has been in some way helpful. If so, give us a thumbs up, or if you have a great idea too, comment below. See you next time.